Yeah, it's gonna end in a draw. I still feel it's gonna end in a draw. But you never know, you know. It's Test cricket, the ultimate test. Almost ready, but थोड़ा late हो चुके हैं. By the way, these are my tickets. इतने बड़े event पे अगर Indian late ना हुए तो कहाँ के Indian? But anyway, got my flag, cap, jacket. We set. World Test Championship. Here we go. Feels really odd to be not working on a Tuesday. So Tuesday है आज 8:20 हो गए. We are late as I said. Fuel भरूंगा as usual क्योंकि टाकी में कभी मेरे फ्यूल होता ही नहीं है. इतना हम लोग दूर दूर जाते रहते हैं. आके बस गाड़ी रख देता हूँ and I just use for you know going to work. और सीधा साउथहैम्पटन में जाके vlog start करूँगा because I gotta really you know hurry up now. Alright guys. और पहुँच गए हैं साउथहैम्पटन में. आधा घंटा बस लेट हुआ है बट इट्स ओके बिकॉज बारिश ऑलरेडी गिर रही है और मैच अभी तक चालू भी नहीं हुआ है. सो क्या है यार, यू नो ICC एंड इवन द इंग्लिश क्रिकेट बोर्ड दे शुड प्लान ऑल दीज इवेंट्स. फाइनल चल रहा है, यहाँ पे बारिश हो रही है, क्या सीन है यार, नॉट गुड यू नो. और यहाँ पे पार्किंग का भी 20 पाउंड है. सो यू नो इट शुड बी ऑल वर्थ इट इजंट इट. देयर वी गो. यहाँ पे प्री बुक्ड पार्किंग थी, मैंने यहाँ पे आके बस पे कर दिया. इट वॉज 20 पाउंड. 2000 रुपये पार्किंग का, 50 पाउंड दिन का टिकट का. एनीवे वी आर नाउ एंटरिंग द स्टेडियम. बहुत ज़्यादा विंड है. गेम अभी तक चालू भी नहीं हुआ है. 11 बज गए हैं. 10:30 गेम चालू होने वाला था बट ड्यू टू रेन डिले अभी तक चालू नहीं हुआ है. सो हियर वी गो. वी आर गेटिंग क्लोज टू द स्टेडियम. That's the Indian team there. That's Virat Kohli. Right, we're here.
And the ball is hit into the stands at any point throughout the day. A reminder, please, is to throw it back on the outfield so it can then be sanitised. As a reminder, the ground regulation to please stay off the playing area at all times. Anybody ignoring this reasonable request is liable to fines of £1,000 and prosecution under the Public Order Act. Sure you appreciate these measures are in place for the safety of everyone, in particular the players and match official.
So going to my seat now. बहुत ज़्यादा weird लग रहा है कि you know after such a long time, almost 2 years, for the first time I've come to a live event. It's India playing in the finals and it's really odd but it is you know satisfying because you know इतना 2 साल हो गए यार we watched anything live. Even though this is being played at a reduced capacity, I think आज बस 4000 लोग ही है जो आज के दिन आए हैं. But yeah, just feels great. Also the other thing I would like to show about Hampshire, GS Bowl. ये stadium मैंने पहली बार ऐसा देखा है. Like look, it's all open out here. You know, there's food, ICC shop, you know, cricket merchandise, whatever. And then you've just got the stand here in the open. बारिश पड़ेगी तो फिर है फिर वाट. But anyway, look at this. Wow, just in time for the first ball of the day. I wouldn't say it's beautiful out here, but it just feels great to be here. Come on man. Day 5, कल एक reserve day है test match का, but I think it's going to end in a draw, but let's go. Bumrah goes first. First over of the day. Here we go. There will be some nerves right at the start. Let's get them out. Come on, India. Let's go. Come on, Bumrah. Let's get him out. Let's go. Come on! Ooh! What a carry. What a carry. Let's go! Let's go! Come on, India! और ये पहली विकेट आते हुए सो आई मिस्ड इट सब लोग गणपति बप्पा मोरिया चैंट्स चालू थे जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा इंडिया जीतेगा यू नो गणपति बप्पा मोरिया और बीच में एक बंदा बोला साइमन गो बैक that was hilarious and everyone actually said it as well. Come on! There we go. There we go. Come on. कहाँ गए कीवी सारे नाच रहे थे अभी 2 मिनट पहले कहाँ गए चुप बैठ जाओ सब लोग आउट हो चुका है हेनरी निकल्स बाय 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 yeah he's looking but he's gone man he's gone he's gone पनीर टिक्का रैप और इंडिया यहाँ पे खेल रही है इंग्लैंड में इससे ज़्यादा ये देखो इसका चालू ही है इससे ज़्यादा और इंडियन चीज़ क्या हो सकती है ये भी गो इस गाय इज ऑन इट यू नो गेम चालू है मेरा लंच चालू है इट्स अ ग्रेट आउटिंग बारिश नहीं होगी अभी मुझे नहीं लगता या It's nice and sunny now. धूप आ चुका है कडक ऊन पडलं आहे इकडे आता सो मजा येणार आहे आता मॅच बघायला होपफुली ऑल आउट झाली ना न्यूझीलंड तर इंडियाची बॅटिंग बघायला मिळू शकते पैसे वसूल होतील मग and he did not make the 50 49 पे आउट हो गया ये भी so he's not the highest run scorer of the game because he's joined highest run scorer with Rahane. Big wicket is the big man Kane Williamson back in the dugout. Let's go. Honestly, well played Kane Williamson. He was the only one holding the innings for New Zealand and he's out. And yeah, everyone's happy. All right, let's go. Out! All out! That's it. That's it. Oh, review. Review ले लिया ये लोग ने. Yeah, fair delivery. Come on, tell them. Tell them. Oh, I don't think he's out. To be honest, I don't think he's out. Alright, let's sit down. Sit down. चलो फिर इंडिया की बैटिंग आ चुकी है और रोहित शर्मा और शुभमन गिल बाहर आ चुके हैं. I think overs remaining today. I think there's around 36 overs left for today. So let's see. Lead 26 का बाकी है. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna end in a draw. I still feel it's gonna end in a draw. But you never know, you know. It's Test cricket, the ultimate test. What a beautiful, perfect day for me because मैं थोड़ा लेट था पर बारिश हो रही थी एंड जब मैं आया तब मैच चालू हो गई. सो इट वाज यू नो परफेक्ट फॉर मी. आधे घंटे का डिले था बस सुबह में. सो इट वाज परफेक्ट. और 8 विकेट मैंने देखे आज के दिन में. एंड अभी तक 36 ओवर्स बाकी है. 4 ओवर हो चुके हैं और इंडिया बैटिंग को भी आ गई है. सो यू नो it's worth it, even though I know this match will end up as a draw, but it's totally worth it. Perfect. Look, sun's out now. It's beautiful now. Perfect. So Sharma got out and now Kohli walks in to the middle. Let's go, Kohli, come on. There we go. Saudi to Virat. Whoa. And that's how a king opens his innings in style. 4 runs for Virat Kohli. After 5 balls. What a deadly bouncer by Saudi on his helmet. But obviously that didn't count. But this one will. Looks like that would be the last ball of the day. And that races away towards the boundary. But yeah. I think so, yeah. That would be the last ball. I'm guessing. It's 7 o'clock here in Southampton. I don't know. Are we playing on? Oh no, there's actually one more ball. I miscounted, innit? Yeah, 7 baj chuke hain. Kyle Jamieson last ball dalega, and I think that would be it for day 5 of World Test Championship. Great day in all. कोहली को भी खेलते हुए देखने को मिला. The drums are on fire still over there. Come on, Kohli. Defend it. Nice. Nice. Oh! Even better. So that should be it, guys, from Southampton.
And that starts here.
Yeah.
At the Hampshire goal.
Under the lights.
Full support here throughout the round. Hope you enjoyed the this here on the ICC World Test Championship final. Once again, just a further reminder as you leave us this evening to please take care and be patient as you leave us.
Job done. और मैच हुई है ख़त्म. एक्चुअली मैच नहीं, दिन हुआ है ख़त्म. It was actually a good day for me, like it was worth it. But overall, final की बात की जाए तो it's slightly disappointing कि you know it's gonna end up in a draw. But today, I think in the whole game, day 5 was the only day जहाँ पे इतना सारा you know game खेला गया. So it was cool. For me, it's you know absolutely you know money worth it. So I enjoyed it. 10 विकेट देखे. कोहली को देखा. Even though I didn't want to see him, but you know कोहली को भी देखा खेलते हुए. So it was perfect for me. Great end to the day.